How to generate images using Dola AI. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want to generate images using Dola AI, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open Dola AI on a device and then you will see this page. So here on bottom of your screen, you will see this message box. So tap on it. So the thing that you need to consider is prompt. So the better prompt you give to the AI, the better image you get. You can simply create an image by typing generate me an image of something. So here let me do that. However, if you want better image, then all you need to do is give better prompt to the AI. Add as much details as you can and then simply feed the prompt to the AI. So here let me give this prompt. Generate me a image of cat hologram. So if you want more specific image, then simply add more details like you can add the colors of the image that you want. You can add the objects that you want. So the better prompt you give, the better image you get. So within a few seconds, the AI will be generating your image. And here you can see the AI has successfully generated me the images and it will generate multiple images. So to see them, you can simply swipe them. And if you like any of the photo, you can simply tap on this download icon. So this is all you need to do to generate images using Dola AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.